you guys have a local business, then Facebook ads provides you with the best opportunity to market your business. Hello guys, I'm Swastika Arya and in today's video I'll be talking about business boosting, profit producing and income increasing using Facebook ads. So if you guys are interested, keep watching the video till the end, and if you guys want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. So when we talk about business, the first thing which comes is to know who your audiences are. You should know who your customers are, whom are you targeting. So that is very important. You should know the age, what are the interests, where do they live, and all the other things. Even what are their thoughts, belief, organization and affiliations. So that's the most important thing which comes when you talk about business. The next thing which comes is what your Facebook ad should look like. So here are some tips I would give you. Okay, so first of all, the thing you should be clear with the point. Your Facebook ads should be simple, clear. It should be authentic and human. Okay, and you let your personality be shown over there. Okay, be more strategic. Okay, make sure the ads you are putting out over there will help you reach your goal. You should know what you are providing and what do you expect in return out of that. You should write a proper ad copy. Keep the pain points of your customer or of your audience in your mind while writing an ad copy. The next thing which comes is where do you show your Facebook ads. Now Facebook allows you to target a small geographic area, which means you can target your ideal customer and show them your ads again and again with different combinations, and it is very cost efficient because it makes a smaller market size. It helps you to saturate your market and is very cost efficient, and it helps you to stay on the top of the mind of your customers. Next thing which comes is when do you run your Facebook ads. So you can run your Facebook ads 24/7 in for 365 days. Okay, so that doesn't mean you have to spend thousands of bucks every day. You can even start with a small amount. The only thing you need to keep in mind is keep on rotating new ads and new content in front of your customers to prevent burnout. So now, why should we run Facebook ads? So till now, like I have discussed, Facebook ads provides you the best opportunity for any local business. It is very efficient and budget friendly and helps you to target your audience more properly. Now, after all of these things I've discussed, now you would wonder, how do you run Facebook ads? You don't know about Facebook Business Manager, how does it work, and then you don't know about ad campaign, that's it, or anything. Then you would be wondering, how do you do that? So here I can help you with your business. So just what you have to do is you just need to follow me on my Instagram and DM me there. I'll surely get back to you. My username is swastika_arya_. I'll put the link in the description. You can go there, you can follow me over there, and you can DM me if you have any business or you want help with any other business. So I'll surely help you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and comment down below what are your thoughts. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you.